Powering the system. Step 1. Collect the cables. Find 2 USB cables from the Triax kit, 2 power cables, the Triax to Gilson cable, and the fractionator power supply in the box. Step 2. Connecting the fractionator power supply. Locate the fractionator power supply and a power cable. Plug the power cable into the fractionator power supply. Plug the power supply into the back of the fractionator below the power switch on the rear left side of the instrument. Step 3. Plugging in the Gilson FC203B fraction collector. Locate a power cable and plug it into the rear left of the Gilson. Step 4. Connecting the Gilson to the Triax flow cell. Locate the Triax to Gilson cable. Plug the large green connector into the matching socket on the rear of the Gilson. Once the plug is aligned with the socket, push it in firmly. Plug the small green connector into the matching socket on the rear of the Triax. Once the plug is aligned with the socket, push it in firmly. Step 5. Connecting the USB cables. Locate both USB cables and note that they have different ends. Plug the USB cable with the large end into the right-hand side of the fractionator. Plug the USB cable with the small end into the back of the Triax. Plug the free ends of both cables into the USB connectors of a laptop. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.